The mystery of the dark streaks on Mars. Hey viewers, welcome to Mars Saga. Today, we uncover one of the most fascinating secrets ever discovered on Mars. Subscribe now for daily videos about Mars. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like it. Let's begin. Mars has been explored by orbiters, landers, and rovers for decades, yet the planet continues to surprise scientists with strange features that are still not completely understood. One of the most mysterious discoveries appeared on the steep walls of Martian hills and craters. From space, scientists noticed long, dark streaks stretching down the slopes. They appeared during the warmer months and faded when temperatures dropped. At first, these strange markings raised an exciting possibility. Could liquid water still be flowing on Mars today? Before we continue, here's today's question. If you discovered fresh flowing water on Mars, what would be the first thing you would search for there? Share your answer in the comments. When these dark streaks were first observed, researchers were amazed. Mars is an extremely cold planet with an atmosphere so thin that liquid water should quickly freeze or evaporate. Yet these streaks seem to appear and disappear with the changing seasons. Scientists named these mysterious features recurring slope linea, or RSL. They could be seen growing slowly down steep slopes during the warmer part of the Martian year before fading away again. Because of this behavior, many scientists believed salty water might be flowing just beneath the surface. Salt lowers the freezing point of water, allowing it to remain liquid at lower temperatures. If this idea was correct, Mars might still have small amounts of flowing water today. The discovery attracted worldwide attention because liquid water is considered one of the most important ingredients for life. If water still existed on Mars, even in tiny amounts, it would become one of the best places to search for possible microbial organisms. However, science depends on evidence rather than excitement. As more spacecraft collected higher quality images and new instruments studied the surface in greater detail, researchers began testing different explanations. They discovered that many of these dark streaks formed in places where loose dust easily slid downhill. Instead of being caused by flowing water, the streaks could simply be small dust avalanches. When the top layer of bright dust slipped away, it exposed darker material underneath, creating the appearance of fresh lines running down the slopes. Computer models also suggested that the temperatures in many of these locations were still too low for liquid water to remain stable. In addition, some streaks appeared in places where no signs of water-related minerals could be detected. Although the water theory became less likely, scientists did not stop investigating. Mars has repeatedly shown that it can surprise scientists. Every new observation helps improve our understanding of the planet. Today, many planetary scientists believe most recurring slope linea are probably caused by dry movements of dust and sand rather than flowing water. Even so, the investigation continues because not every dark streak behaves in exactly the same way. Some locations remain difficult to explain completely, and future missions equipped with more advanced instruments may provide new answers. These mysterious streaks also remind scientists how important it is to question first impressions. A feature that looks like flowing water from orbit may have a completely different explanation when examined closely. This careful approach has guided every major discovery on Mars. The search for water itself has not ended. Orbiters have found enormous deposits of underground ice, frozen polar caps, and minerals that formed in ancient lakes and rivers. Rovers continue exploring old river deltas where liquid water once existed billions of years ago. Mars may no longer have rivers flowing across its surface, but its landscape still preserves clear evidence of a wetter past. Future astronauts may one day visit some of these mysterious slopes themselves. Instead of studying them through cameras hundreds of millions of kilometers away, they could examine the rocks directly, collect samples, and determine exactly how these strange markings form. Until that day, orbiters will continue photographing the same regions year after year, watching for new streaks to appear with each Martian season. Every image adds another clue to one of the red planet's most intriguing mysteries. Mars has taught scientists an important lesson throughout the history of exploration. The first explanation is not always the correct one. Every discovery must be tested, questioned, and examined from every possible angle. Whether these dark streaks are caused by hidden moisture or by dry dust moving across steep slopes, they continue to reveal how active and fascinating Mars remains. Even after decades of exploration, the red planet still holds mysteries waiting to be solved, proving that every mission brings humanity one closer step to understanding our remarkable planetary neighbor. Thanks for watching.